Take a look at this phantom wallet. $5.9 million all made from deving meme coins. No hype, no guessing, no luck, just a formula that works over and over again. Stay tuned and I'll walk you through exactly how I pulled it all off. Now, I personally used to spend hours watching charts, just trading meme coins every single day, waiting for the perfect entry. But every single fucking time I bought inside a meme coin, which I end up pulling the bag, I got fucking dumped on. And that's exactly why I stopped trading meme coins, because every single time I bought in, I became exit liquidity for someone else. And that's exactly when I learned the people actually making real money are the ones deving. Because bro, deving is an actual cheat code. You own the coin, you create the coin, okay, and then you dump whenever you want. For example, Trump, he made billions of dollars from launching his own coin. Why can't you, okay? If you could make just a couple $1,000s a coin, that could potentially change your life, okay? That's what I'm talking about. Deving is the move right now, okay, in meme coins. And by the way, bro, you've got completely nothing to lose as a creator, literally $0. But if you keep trading, you could buy here, 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 and here, and just keep losing. And by the way, bro, Bitcoin and Solana might be down, but it still works, you guys will see. And I want to be clear that everything into this video is for educational purposes only. I am not a financial advisor, and this is not investment advice. Cap! Now, most people go to Pump.Fun to create meme coins on the blockchain, but bro, you have to avoid this website because Pump.Fun used to be good. But now, it's overflooded. Thousands and thousands of new tokens are appearing every single fucking minute, and they vanish just as fast. You don't control your own liquidity, and your project disappears before it even starts. If you launch a coin on this website, your coin has to reach a $90,000 market cap for it to migrate directly to Raydium. So, I have a solution for all of that. Go to create tokens.io because this website changes the entire game. Your token launches straight to Raydium, it gets immediately graduated, which means it will be viewed to thousands of potential investors and is tradable immediately. That means you control the liquidity, you get more visibility, and you get a shit ton of growth from the start. This website is the actual cheat code, you guys will see. Now here's how it works on create tokens.io. You have two different ways to launch a meme coin. The first way is to start from scratch. So go on X, right, and pick a narrative. It could be literally anything. Or you can go on Instagram, on TikTok, anything trending, right? Anything funny. It could be a meme, bro. I don't know, bro. And then just look at, okay, this. The dog saves the baby. That could be good. Yeah. Oh yeah, Fusi too, with his new body. That could be good too. Now, once you have a good narrative, come back to create tokens.io, enter a name, add a symbol, and then take a screenshot of anything and just put it right here for the meme coin logo. And after a couple more steps, your coin is custom created on the blockchain. But the second method, that's the best shortcut because it's the one that makes the most amounts of money, and that's by copying trending coins. Now, these are all already buzzing on Pump.Fun. All these coins right here. All you have to do is just copy one and it will launch instantly onto Raydium, and since they already have hype and they're already going viral, they will be immediately graduated on the Raydium DEX and it will be viewed to thousands of potential trenchers. The hype, the traffic is already built into these coins. You'll get instant buyers and a bigger fucking margin for profits. You guys will see in a couple seconds. Alright, enough talking. I'm about to dev a coin right now live on camera so you can see exactly how fast and easy this process really is. So first of all, make sure to connect your Phantom Y to the website, then click on the refresh list, and we're gonna copy a coin. I'm gonna go with the guy who, it's funny, it has a funny PFP, it has a last buy 14 seconds ago, so that's good. Click on create coin. Ignore the warning from Phantom and then just go through it. So proceed, confirm, click the box, confirm, and then the coin should be created shortly in a couple seconds. Boom, and now it's time to create the liquidity pool. Now this step's simple. We're just adding the liquidity into our coin. That is what gives your token a live market on Raydium, so people can instantly buy and sell once it's up. So for the amount token A, just tap the 90% button. That's gonna drop 900 million tokens into the pool. Right under for the amount token B, this is your first buy into your own coin. You are not losing that SOL. It's just locked into the pool. The minimum is 0.3 SOL, and once you remove the liquidity later, that SOL comes right back to you straight inside your Phantom wallet. I'm going to put 0.35 SOL and then click on create pool. After that, click on confirm. When that's done, simply click on the refresh button, and if you scroll down, boom, the guy who coin is on live, our P&L is at $0. And if you click on the refresh button for a second time, now we're up to $100 because people are buying our coin on the blockchain. Now, if you want to see the chart for your coin, you could either go on Axiom by copying the coin here, going here, right here, or you can just click on view on Photon to see the chart. Let me go on full screen real quick for a better view. Let's see, it has to load in. Okay, it's live. Let's see what's happening. We're already up a couple $100. Let's fucking go. Come on. It has to pump. Let's go. $50. Oh my god! What the fuck? Oh my god! We're getting so many buys right now. We're printing. Oh my god, guys. Okay, this has to pump 1.2k market cap, 1.2k market cap. Oh my god, 1.2k liquidity. Oh my god, so many people are buying in, bro. You guys have to tap in right now, bro. It's actually insane. You guys can print a lot of money, bro. Let's go. $70. Let's go. Pump, 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 pump. This narrative is so good. I'm going to give this coin more time for it to pump, and I'm going to be right back when the time is right. Okay guys, I'm back. We are at a $13,000 market cap and $3,000 in liquidity. Things are looking good. Now, if you want to make some money off your coin, come back to the website, which is createtokens.io real quick, and then click on the refresh button for a third time. And as you guys can see, we are now up $1.9 thousand in profits with a $14,000 market cap. Click on the minus button, do 100%, remove the money out of the coin. Let's see what happens. And as you guys can see, I'm going to receive 9 SOL. Click on confirm. And bang! That's exactly how you dev meme coins and make some money. As you guys can see, in my wallet, I have $1.9 thousand. It's not fake, it's all real.